in this lesson we'll understand how the smoke emitter works. So I will dive inside the sphere object, and you see here Houdini created these nodes for us. Okay, this is the most important node in this container. So I will select the flute source, and this node is responsible for creating the emitter. This node prepares the sphere for emitting the smoke. Okay, so I will click here and I will click on hide other objects. So now in this case I am seeing just the sphere object. So if I come to parameter editor here, you see here I have the density and I have the temperature. So if you click on the density and check the temperature off, now you see we don't have anything. Okay, so if I clicked on the density, this creating the density field for the emitter. So this field will emit the smoke. Okay, and this field will emit the temperature. Okay, and if you come to the velocity volume here, you see here I have the velocity field visualized. So this is just visualization. So if I check that off, nothing happens. The reason is because we don't have any velocity yet. If you come to the curl noise here and you click on curl, add curl noise, now you see we added some velocity. Okay, so now if I go outside or just click here and show all objects, and now if we rewind the simulation, now you see we added velocity on the smoke. So this curl noise will add velocity and disturb the smoke. Okay, so let's go back to the curl noise. Here you can scale the noise. Okay, and you can add more swirl to that or more turbulent. Okay, and another thing, if I click on the add curl noise and turn that off and go back, and here I have the add velocity. So if I click here, now you see I have these lines which are toward the up. Okay, the reason is because the y set to 1. So if I set this one to 0 and set this one to 1, now the velocity is in x direction. So if I hit play, now you see the smoke going to the right. Okay, and don't worry about these tabs, it's not important for now. Okay, so let's set that to 0 and this one to 1, and I will turn that off. And now let's go to the first frame, and if I come to vortex and click on add vortex, and now if I hit play, we don't have anything yet. The reason is because we need to increase this velocity. So if I increase that, now you see I am seeing the velocity field or the velocity visualization in the viewport. So the more I increase that, the more vorticity I will have. And now if I hit play, now you see the smoke rotating around this axis. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson.